In 2017 Goa Legislative Assembly elections, he had given a speech at MAPSA. Some contents of that speech were found objectionable by the Election Commission, so they filed a private complaint before the judicial magistrate at MAPSA. The JMFC issued summons. We have challenged that summons both on the ground that the order suffers from non-application of mind as well as on merits. The High Court heard the matter now. The High Court has not gone into the merits of the matter. On the ground that the order suffers from vice of non-application of mind, the High Court has set aside the order and sent the matter back to the magistrate for fresh consideration. Magistrate's order is 19 September 22.
Okay. And
The offence was of, the alleged offence was of 2017, August 2017, at the time of elections.
and magistrate had asked Arvind Kejriwal to appear for.
Summons was issued to him to appear. Now that order is quashed.